Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set categories inside a channel in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app. And here, it opens up in the context list. From here we're just going to channels, tap on a channel, then tap on the channel icon, then on the pencil icon in the top right corner, then on more, scroll down, and here we find categories. We tap on choose, and here we can select three kinds of categories that we are going to have as the main topics inside the channel, and then just tap on OK, then save, and yeah, it's going to be updated. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.